The Stream Deck Plus from Elgato is finally here. Let's go with the video. Let's go with the unboxing. Super knife. Let's see what is inside. Here I'm guessing are the booklets and all the information about the Stream Deck Plus. This is the quick start guide. There you go. As soon as we open it, we can see the nuts here. They look pretty premium though. And they feel really good too. Oh, there you go. Here is the Stream Deck Plus by Elgato. Let's get it out of the box. Let's see what else do we have in here. USB-A to a USB-C cable. It's a braided cable, as you can see also. Now, let's turn this on, let's connect it to the computer and see what we can do with it, okay? See you in a bit. Okay, now we're in the other desk with the computer where I'm planning on using the device. I'm gonna just connect the USB-C here. And then the USB-A going straight to the computer. Let's see. Well, now it says Elgato over here. Just waiting, it's connected already. Okay, so now let's go to elgato.com/download and let's get the software for the Stream Deck Plus. So here we are, then we go to the Steam Deck and we download the application. I'm just gonna download an application. Don't forget to sign in on their website, use your email and a password. That way it's gonna be easier for you if by any chance you have to disconnect the Elgato or you have to get into a new computer. You just pretty much enter your username and password and then you can get the same thing that you have here on the other computer. So the shortcuts don't change or anything like that. The setup is incredibly intuitive with out-of-the-box presets and easy customization. This tool allows you to map hotkeys. For example, I added 4 of the apps that I use the most, and I also added my lights at the bottom row. We also have the brightness. I have the brightness so I can set up my brightness on my lights. We have the volume, system volume, and we have the brightness on the Steam Deck Plus. On the other page, which I added also, I added more hotkeys for the Gobi lights, which are the ones that I have on the back. I'm going to show you in a little bit the way I use them and how it works. It's super simple, and you will realize it's going to be a breeze for you to make it, okay? I'm going to show you the way I use my Stream Deck Plus right now. I mainly use it for my lights, which is super cool. I don't have to be pulling out my phone and open different apps to control everything. So right now I only have one light on, which is the one that is pointed towards the wall, so you guys can see me a little bit. I'm gonna turn on the studio lights, which is are those 2 blue ones on the back. Okay, those are Philips Hue. And then I have Gobi 1 and Gobi 2. And now I can turn on my softbox. And now you guys can see me really well. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment down below. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.